Welcome back to our entertainment news desk. Great news to the residents of Kiambu County as LOISEKIM has decided to come back as an independent candidate, vying for the women rep seats in the coming general election. This comes after she lost her UDA nomination ticket to her competitor WAMURATHA. She thanks all her supporters, more so her campaign team, who supported her during the journey. And I quote, "I receive my appreciation for granting me the opportunity to seek an elective post of Kiambu as a women rep. You accorded me a platform where you treated me with the utmost respect. To my family, my parents and my siblings, I thank you for trusting me with the process. You never looked down upon me. You supported me and assured me your ambassadorial roles are magnified to the entire big family. You supported me in prayers and finances. I thank you. To my friends in the music fraternity, I can't thank you enough. You owed me the process and equally shared my dream to the millions of supporters that you command. You are opportunists in the every available platform and selflessly shared my dream. To my campaign team, you spared your time, energy and resources limitlessly. You believed in the spirit of unity. Many are the times that we burnt the midnight oil to ensure that the needs of the electorates are well addressed. You are such an amazing team. To the entire Kiambu electorates, the over 200,000 delegates from either of the political divided who turned out to vote, I thank you. We may not have clinched the UDA ticket, but the effort to ensure that we all wins was clearly demonstrated. You waited eagerly to have me announced as the winner. The calls, the texts, the emails, and we may not have won the seats as per party elections board, but we surely won over the hearts of many people, the young and the old. That was just but the beginning. We must redeem Kiambu from the tyrants and enemies of progress. The UDA party and all its organs asanteni for the opportunity. Gratitude to all those for believing in my dream. Thanks for not only believing in me but investing in it. All for pursuit of both human infrastructure development are geared towards the great society. You stood with me through thick and thin. Wapendwa, I want to assure you that all is not lost. The journey has just begun. I have listened to you. Let's meet on the ballot on the 9th of August 2022. God bless you all. Hashtag LOISEKIM, hashtag Gadaya Kiambu. LOISEKIM will be racing amongst MERCYNUNGARI and WAMURATHA. May the best candidate win. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe.